Please don't scroll. You are welcome to my channel. I am your best teacher. Today we are going to learn how to identify positive and negative numbers. Identifying positive and negative numbers. Now this is for all, whether you are in primary, you are in JHS, SHS, or even in the university. Okay, it is for all. Now I'm here to make maths easier. Yes, if you know your positive and negative numbers from the beginning, maths becomes so easy. Okay, so let's sit back. Let's start. All right. Now, to identify a positive and negative numbers, we are going to use two signs. That is the additional sign and the subtraction sign. Good. That's the two signs we are going to use. But before, when a number stands alone, a number like 9 standing alone, and there is no sign attached, 9 becomes positive 9. Good. When I have 10, there's no sign attached to 10. 10 also becomes a positive 10. Good. All right. Now, any of these signs, either plus or subtraction sign, affect a number when the sign is at the left side of the number. So, example, when I have 10, 10 becomes positive. But when I have the subtraction sign at the left side of 10, it becomes negative. So this is negative 10. But when I have the subtraction sign here at the right side of 10, the subtraction sign does not affect 10. It only affects 10 when it is at the left side of what? 10. So here 10 is still a positive 10. Good. Now, when I have 7 minus 6 plus 2. Now let's identify the positive and the negative numbers here. But take into consideration that a sign affects a number when the sign is at the left side of the number. Good. So 7 here has no sign at the left side. Now, the minus sign in between 7 and 6 does not affect 7. So 7 becomes what? A positive 7. Now let's move on to 6. 6 has a subtraction sign or minus sign at the left side. So it affects 6. So 6 becomes what? Negative 6. Now let's move on to 2. Now realize that there is plus sign in between 6 and what? 2. The plus sign does not affect 6. It affects 2 rather. So 2 becomes a positive 2. Good. Now try and identify this. 9 plus 3 minus 4 minus 3. All right. Identify it. Good. So 9 here becomes what? Positive. 3 also becomes positive since the sign is at the left side of 3. 4 there becomes negative 4. And 3 also becomes what? Negative 3. So that is all for today. Okay. Now, if you know this from the beginning, maths becomes what? Easier. Okay. So to wrap up all, now today we learned about positive and negative numbers. And we learned that when a number stands alone, the number becomes positive. And a sign affects a number. A sign affects what? A number when the sign is at the left side of the number. Good. Now, in our next video, I am going to teach you how to add all this or subtract without using calculator Yes, without using calculator, how to do this. So follow my channel, like, and even comment so that when I post the next video, you can learn more. Thank you.